Today I will explain the HVAC connections, air terminal, how we can able to connect the air terminal, supply air and return and exhaust. So today I will explain this one. So here I already linked the file. So I have the model. So I will explain how I can start. So before that, when you link the model, so don't forget. So if you want to show the room's name, it's called space name, you have to find out first. So I just click and go to property and I have to select the room boundary. Now I will select the analyze. I will choose the space. So first I have to choose the space like this. After that I can go for the automatic. So it's already done. Now after that I will just click the space naming. See, now it's showing the names in the rooms. Name rooms are showing now. So it's definitely we have to show this one. Okay. So I just wanted to go to HVAC seeding plan. Here also if you want you can choose it. The space name automatically you if you want you can apply it. So otherwise you can click the space also. Right. Now I did this one. Now okay, now I started to apply the air terminals here. So first you can choose the system. In the system, you can find out the air terminals. So in the air terminals, here the diffuser is available. You select here in the properties. So you can find out the supply air diffusers. So I just take it from 600 by 600. So after that, I have to put the elevation. I just put 3,000 for the ceiling elevation. So now I can able to apply. So here I just apply for the main room. This open area I will apply 1, 2, 3, and this room I will apply 4, and this room I will apply 3, and this room also I apply 2. Here also I will apply 2. Right. So I already applied it. The supply air unit. If you want, you can reduce also. It's as your design, you can able to reduce, or if you want, you can increase. Depends your uh, drawing type, you can change it. Okay, right. Now I already applied the air terminals. So now I have to apply the return air. So here, so better I will remove this air terminal here, and I will apply the return air. Written air also you have to put the elevation. Okay. So I just apply the written air. One here, another one here, another one here, and this one, this one here also applied. Here also apply one, two. Okay, I already applied it. Now I just select this one and go to the 3D. So you can find out this is our air terminal. It's visible. So after that, you can apply for the exhaust fan. So here you can find out the exhaust grill 600 by 600. That one also you have to find out the height elevation one, and here also I'll just put it one, and here also I put it two. Like that way you can apply. So this is done. After that you can apply the mechanical equipment. Here you can find out the AHU. I just find out the AHU. I put the height of the AHU a little bit higher than this one. So I will fix it somewhere here. I'll keep it. Oh, I can keep it somewhere here. So anywhere you can able to keep it, but I will just keep it somewhere here. Okay. Out of the building, I will just keep it here. Now you can select this supply air diffuser. First you have to select. After that you can find out the duct. It is asking for the create duct system. Yes. After that you can find out the edit system. Now you can edit the supply air diffuser. I will select that, and after that then select equipment, this one. I finish it. Now you can find out it's done already. After that you just select the air terminal, go to the generate layout. So this is your layout, it's automatically created. Here you can adjustable, and the same time you have to go to setting. In the setting you can find out the main duct size, duct elevation, and the same time you can select the branch also, and here you have to put it in the flexible duct round, and I have to select OK. Now it's almost done. If you want, you can change the uh, layout style also. Otherwise, you will keep it as it is. So I just apply this one first. I applied it. So it's already connected. So I just wanted to check this one in the 3D. See, it's connected. You can find out this one. So this one is connected. Okay, right. So this is the way you can create the supply air terminal connection. I hope you understand this one. So next video, I will explain this one, how you can connect the returning and exhaust sources. I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.